channel. How you all doing? Today is for my content creators in the house, and I'm kind of excited about it. Today we are diving into the world of AI and how it's transforming the way we create, whether you are into graphic design, writing, video editing, or managing social media. These 10 AI tools will take your content game to the next level. You gotta trust me on this. Let's get started. First up, we've got Canva. It's a user-friendly design packed with AI-powered template, making graphic design super easy, even for beginners. Whether you are designing social media posts, thumbnails, or presentation, Canva got you covered. So, as a content creator, go get yourself a Canva. Next is Grammarly, a must-have for any writer. I can't even tell you how helpful this AI tool has been for me. I have used it over and over, and I doubt if I'll stop using it anytime soon. Grammarly AI helps you check for spelling, grammar, and even style improvement. It makes sure your writing is polished and professional, perfect for blogs, captions, or even script like this. If you are a writer, what are you waiting for? Moving on, we have ChatGTP, your AI content assistant. Yes, your AI content assistant. Whether you need help brainstorming ideas, drafting scripts, or even writing an entire blog post, ChatGTP is like having a creative partner at your fingertips. Yes, this is indeed a creative partner, I must say. For all my video creators out there, check out Lumen 5. This tool takes your blog posts, articles, or text and transforms them into stunning videos with just a few clicks. It is perfect for reposing content or creating engaging social media videos without the need for heavy video editing skill. Speaking about video editing, let's talk about Descript. This tool lets you edit your audio and video just by editing text. You heard me, just by editing text. It is perfect for podcasts, voiceovers, or videos where you want to quickly cut and refine your content without traditional editing headaches. If you're looking to create engaging social media posts, product descriptions, or even add copy AI is a game changer. I said it with my full chest. Copy AI is a game changer. This AI copywriting tool helps you generate high quality creative content in seconds, save time and effort while still delivering killer copy. Up next, we've got Jasper, another AI writing assistant, but this one is built for long form content. If you're working on blogs, email newsletters, or detailed articles, Jasper AI makes the writing process faster and more efficient by understanding content and tone. If you're a writer here, you just have to help yourself make your work easier by getting Jasper AI. For YouTube creators, come closer. I say you all should come closer. Let me tell you about VidIQ. I guess some of you must have heard about it. VidIQ is a must-have. This AI tool helps you optimize your video with SEO insight, keyword suggestion, and competitor analysis. You heard me right, competitor analysis. Ensuring your videos get the visibility they deserve. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Let me say that again. It's all about working smarter and not harder. Say hello to Pictory, an AI tool that helps you create short, engaging video snippets, long content like podcasts or webinars, perfect for social media teasers, content, and grab attentions online. Last but not least, we have Hotspot.ai, an all-in-one image creation and enhancement tools. From background remover to AI-generated art, Hotspot offers a suite of tools that makes your visual stand out without spending hours in design softwares. And there you have it. These 10 AI tools are designed to make your life as a content creator easier, faster, and more creative. Whether you're looking to design, write, or edit, there is an AI tool out there for you. So which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest update. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.